When it comes to weddings, parties, business events, and other special occasions, many people automatically head to department stores in malls or browse online shops to buy formal wear. It may seem convenient, but there is one major problem with buying ready made clothing. Hundreds or even thousands of identical pieces are produced and sold to the public. Imagine spending hours looking for the perfect outfit. You carefully choose something you think looks elegant and stylish. On the day of the event, you take the time to groom yourself, fix your hair, and wear your best shoes. You arrive feeling confident and looking your absolute best. Then suddenly, across the room, you spot someone wearing exactly the same outfit. At that moment, all that excitement can easily turn into embarrassment. Instead of feeling unique and confident, you may feel uncomfortable knowing that someone else is dressed exactly like you. It can happen at weddings, birthday celebrations, corporate events, gala dinners, and even important business functions. The outfit that was supposed to make you stand out suddenly makes you blend into the crowd. That is why buying fabric is often a much better choice than purchasing ready made formal wear. When you buy fabric, you have the opportunity to create something truly unique. You are not limited to whatever designs a manufacturer has mass produced. Instead, you can choose the exact style that suits your personality and body type. You can select the kind of fabric you prefer, whether it is luxurious, silk, elegant jacquard, sophisticated lace, or any other material that fits the occasion. You can choose the color that complements your complexion and personal taste. You can even select special prints and patterns that reflect your individuality. Most importantly, you can work with a dressmaker or a tailor to create a garment that is uniquely yours. Custom made clothing offers a level of exclusivity that ready made garments simply cannot provide. It allows you to express your creativity and personal style while ensuring that your outfit is different from everyone else's. When you walk into a wedding reception, a party, or a business event, wearing something designed especially for you, you can feel confident knowing that your look is truly one of a kind. Special occasions are memorable moments in our lives. They deserve special clothing that reflects our uniqueness, rather than risking the embarrassment of seeing several people wearing the exact same outfit. Why not invest in fabric and create something extraordinary? At Designer's Prints Fabric Store, you can find unique and gorgeous fabrics that will help bring your vision to life. Whether you are planning an elegant gown, a stylish dress, or a sophisticated formal wear, you will discover beautiful materials that stand out from the ordinary. Visit Designer's Prints at B5, second floor, Shopsville, Green Hills in San Juan City. Explore an exceptional collection of fabrics. Choose something truly special and create an outfit that is uniquely yours. After all, you deserve only the best.